Hello my craft friends, Tracy here with Sweet Bay Lane. In this video, we're going to be DIY crafting something for St. Patrick's Day. Now, I have to be honest, I don't decorate a ton for St. Patrick's Day or Valentine's Day for that matter, but I do like to decorate my front door to welcome my guests. And this DIY was the perfect addition to my front door. So let's go ahead and get started. The supplies for this DIY consist of one of these wood laser cutout frames, an 8x8 canvas, and some window clings from the Dollar Tree, along with a pack of these cute little wooden clovers from Hobby Lobby. We start our project by preparing our wood laser cutout frame. We're going to remove the tag and then paint it this beautiful new shamrock green by Apple Barrel. And to paint these laser wood cutouts, I like to use a makeup sponge. It applies the paint on the top of the laser wood cutout and leaves those beautiful burnt brown edges in the inside of the cutout. I think that adds a lot of depth to any project. Now that we have our wood laser cut frame painted, we're going to set it aside to dry and continue on with our canvas. And to prepare our canvas, we'll just remove the plastic and then paint it a lighter green. Now that our canvas is dried, we're going to age the outer edges. And to do that, we'll just take some sandpaper and sand around the outer edges of our canvas. Now we're moving on to our window clings, and we're going to choose one of our favorite window clings. I'm going to be using this Love one with the shamrock as the O. It fit perfectly, and I love the vibe of it. After we've picked out our decal, we'll now glue our wood laser cut frame to the center of our canvas. Then we're going to take our window cling and we're going to add some Mod Podge to the center of our wood frame on our canvas. We're going to give it a generous amount and also a generous coat on the back side of our window cling. Then attach it to the center of our wood frame onto our canvas. Now that we have that down and it's dried a little bit, we're going to add a generous coat of Mod Podge to the top of our window decal. Once that's dried, we're now going to add some embellishments to our little canvas. And I'm going to be gluing one of these wooden shamrocks that I purchased from Hobby Lobby in the upper right-hand corner, and adding a beautiful shamrock bow from ribbon I also purchased from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love this ribbon. It is so beautiful in person. I just had to use it on this project. I just made a simple bow with it and glued it to the base of my shamrock. I think it looks so cute. Now you can do whatever you want with this little canvas. You can put a little hanger and hang it that way, but I'm going to turn mine into a wreath sign. And to do that, I'm going to take some of this wired greenery I purchased from Hobby Lobby in their Christmas section, along with some of this green felt. We just will cut 2 pieces of the greenery and 2 pieces of the felt. And once we have our pieces cut, we'll then just glue them to the back side of our canvas. We'll find the center of our greenery stems and then glue them down, adding the felt to secure them. And you're left with this cute little wreath sign. Now I've had this wreath for probably 6 or 7 years, and I just swap out the signs or the decorations for every season. And you'll just twist it on like you're twisting a bread tie, and then hide the greenery within the greenery of your wreath. And we're left with this cute little wreath for our front door. Mine looks adorable on my front door. I hope it inspires you to make one of your own. I also wanted to show you that I swapped it out. I swapped out the Valentine one that I made previously for this one, but I wanted to show you just in case you're interested. I'll go ahead and link that video in the description box below. But I think these are the perfect solution to storage when you want to have a festive front door, but maybe you don't have a lot of storage for those big, bulky wreaths. Hey, thank you so much for joining me for this fun St. Patrick's Day craft, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Well, until next time, make sure and keep it crafty.